folks, what's new? Nothing. It's me again, Mr. Gonna Walk Utah's Garage. That little box right there is my heater. Is it my heater? Yeah, it is my heater. I can't tell with this. I don't have my glasses on. Yeah, I got the heater on here because it's a little bit too cold in here to do stuff. So I warmed it up a little. I opened the garage door, let all the heat out. Close the garage door, now I'm heating it up again. What's new in my shop this week? Let's see. This week I cleaned out scrap metal, moved sheet metal. I put a what is it? A light on my door. Hauled out more scrap metal. Cut up 2 fridges, and I got another fridge I got to chop. I have 2 air conditioners. I have to chop in little pieces and put in the scrap pile because they're just in my way. I have a portable air conditioner. I'm going to chop that one up too because it's in my way. I went through an entire pile of scrap steel. I made a couple of videos to show you. You'll probably see them in like February by the time I get to them. And pretty much got a bunch of little good things. Made some crazy videos. And I don't know, just keep making videos. So if you keep watching my channel, I have a whole bunch of videos. I have videos up until I think March now, middle of March. So I'll add them to it. This week I'll probably pop up some teasers. I'm working on my jaws for the Wilton vise, so I'm going to be using my DeWalt metal cutting saw because I can't figure out a way to cut it without making 60 million sparks in here. So, and I don't really want to open the door, freeze my ass off. So I'm going to use my DeWalt cutting saw in here, and I'm going to cut the jaws out of, where is it? Probably either this or something else. That's going to get done this week. So I'll pop up another. I'm probably going to throw, even though I'm adding more videos to this, I'm going to throw other videos in between. Because some of them, if they're too short, like if it's a 1-minute video, I'm going to throw 2 videos a day up. And I just keep popping out videos because I just keep doing stuff. I have a ton of shit doing here and it's keeping busy forever. It's my hobby. I like doing this. So it's kind of a little bit of an inconvenience having to set up and record. My phone here that I bought needs a new battery, so I have to go get that changed next week. Because if I don't keep it plugged in, it just dies. And other than that, I'm just having fun with this. If you're my 242nd subscriber and then YouTube deleted you and put you back on, deleted you, thanks for subscribing, everybody. It's been a fun journey so far. So, iced coffee and the best mug in the world. And if you want to send me merch like this, be my guest. I like free ship. I won't throw this in the scrap pile, but anybody else sends me their mugs, I might. If they're aluminum, I'm making a smelter. I'm going to melt that shit down. Oh, one of the other things I'm doing this week to keep me busy, occupied, is I'm building a forge burner. And see the little teeth in here? Well, apparently I was watching some other guy's video, and he put on the lathe and he ground out those teeth so it doesn't irk the airflow. So I'll be machining the threads out of this side, and I'll be machining the threads out of this because I want to hurry up and make a burner. I ordered the valve. As soon as I get the on-off valve, the freaking regulator, as soon as I get the regulator, I'm going to try to make an attachment go in there to adjust the propane. And we'll work on that. Thanks for watching. This is my weekly update, or bi-weekly, or monthly, or whatever. So check out the folks below. They have much larger channels, lots more fun things. A lot of them work on cars, some don't work on cars, some of them don't do anything. Some of them just have fun. Check them all out. A lot of good people, a lot of good videos. Like, subscribe, and if you're a subscriber, thanks for watching. It's awesome. Never thought I'd actually get subscribers to watch my boring ass life do stuff, but I guess it's not boring. It's not boring to me. I just like doing it. So thanks for watching again. Toodles. Cheers. And pick up some merch.